Risk disclaimer. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made over $94,000, okay, in the month of October 2020. I mean, if you convert that to Nigeria currency, that is a lot of money, right? Okay, so however, please remember, my results are not typical, okay? I didn't get there overnight. I've been trading Forex for over 15 years now. So, and so don't think, okay, you start today and tomorrow you could make $94,000. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I can help you get started, irrespective of where you are. Either you have not heard of Forex before, either you have been trading Forex but you'll be struggling, either you are looking into start making, serious life-changing income trading the largest financial market in the world. Irrespective of where you are, I'm going to work with you to make that a reality. So, but remember, as I said, I don't know you before, and of course my results are not typical. I don't know how you can follow instruction, but if you are that person that is hungry and you can follow instruction, I promise you that this is going to work for you. However, if you are watching this video from my YouTube and you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit the button below right now, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, because you might not know whom you're going to actually help. Okay, my goal is to help 10,000 youth before this year ends to get started trading Forex. So I'm going to give you 30 seconds right now. Do it. And of course, in this video, remember, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to help you get started. So let me take you to my system and show you how to get started. Come on, let's go. Hello and welcome back, my friends. So as I was saying, how did it all started? Okay, it started by me, setting a goal. Actually, my initial goal was to make $50,000 a month, especially this October. But then the market began to work in my favor and move in my favor. So after the 50,000, and of course I increased my goal to 60 to 70, and just like play like joke, I checked my account and I discovered that I've made over $90,000. So wow, 90. So I mean, when you multiply that, if you are watching this video in Nigeria, so 94 by 485. As at yesterday, I'm creating this video on Saturday. So as at yesterday, a dollar is 485. So this will give us 45 million, over 45 million in a month. Yes. So this was doable. And then just in case you are watching this and you are really thinking, okay, you really sure? This is this is a live account, as you can see. Let me show you this account, as you can see right there. This is FX Choice, as you can see, classic live account. So I'm going to go over here, custom period, and then let's do October 1st. Okay, let's do October 1st to October 30th. October 30. This, okay. So let's do that. So you can see this is $68,369.71 from one account. Okay, why am I showing you this? Because Moses said, he told God, he said, if these people don't see proof, they will not believe me. So that's why I'm showing you. Okay, so the second account, let's go to okay, as you can see, this is Ego FX. As you can see, this is live account also. You see, live account, and I'm going to sign in, and let's go to, let's check the custom also from October 1st, okay, to October 30th. Okay, so you can see that is $26,252.86. So for some people that might think, oh, this is demo account, this is not demo, this is live account. Now, how did it all started? You know, it started from me actually setting a goal. I set up a goal, as I said, and in order to help myself, I discovered that okay, I was I was becoming relaxed, even though I was still making money. So I had to hire myself, you know, two coaches, mentors in the area of personal development and business strategy. Now, why am I telling you this? Because there is just a lot of benefit in you having a mentor to work with. You are a Forex trader and you are trying to figure it out by yourself. I tell you what, you will stay there. You will stay there. I was there before, and I lost. After I lost 6 accounts, I discovered okay, I needed a coach for myself, right? So this is one of the program I'm going through right now. As you can see, this is Mike Diller mentoring. If you know Mike Diller, you know he's a legend. This is the program. As you can see, this is my account. This is my account, okay, and this cost a fortune. If you know Mike Dillard, to have access to Mike Dillard, not just about group coaching, now talking about even one-on-one coaching. Then Strive, if you know Matt Lloyd, this is Matt Lloyd. This is Matt Lloyd's program. You know, if you know Matt Lloyd used to be in MOB, and right now also is back with personal development. So why am I sharing this with you? To let you know that even though I'm a coach, I'm a mentor to so many other people, I also still go through training in other area of my business to scale up, to, you know, to just stretch myself. So by now you guys know that my coaching and mentoring program, if you go right now, if you go to forexapostlementoring.com, forexapostlementoring.com, if you go there right now, my coaching and mentoring program, by now you know that this goes for $4,097. Okay, $4,097. This is it. But on this video, I want to do a special and crazy thing. So instead of you paying this right now for the first 11 people, okay, for the first 11, remember, for the first 11 people between now and November 7th, please, after November 7th, don't come to me and ask for this offer. I just feel like helping 11 people in the month of November. So what you'll be doing, you'll be paying 90% off. So 90% off. So what that means is that if you minus 90% from this, okay, it takes it down to $500. $500, okay, for 11 people. It depends on the one that comes first, either the first 11 people to get to that, or we get to 11th of November. 7th of November. So 7th of November, if you are watching this video on my website, there should be a countdown timer that is showing you how many days remain or how many hours remain. And if you are watching this video right now and you don't see any timer or the website is not available, I'm sorry, I apologize. Maybe you have to wait for your time, or you pay the full price. So, I mean, what can we do to change the world? Well, is by starting from somebody, and the highest investment you can do is to invest on yourself, So remember, once again, between now, depends on when you are watching this video, but I assume you are watching it today being November 1st or November 2nd, and this promo is going to run from now till November 7th, okay, from 1st to 7th of November, okay, from 1st to 7th of November. So how can you make payment? You can pay online by using the coupon code that will be displayed on this video or on this website if you are on my website. And if you happen to be in Nigeria, you can pay to our GTB account. Okay, you can pay to our GTB account. The details also will be on this video if you are watching it on my website. It should be somewhere on this page. Or you can also pay with Zelle. Okay, if you are in United States and you want to take advantage of this promotion, you can pay through Zelle and you can pay through Cash App. Okay, you can pay through Zelle, you can pay through Cash App, and you can also pay with your credit card. All you have to do is call us and just let me know that you watch this video and you want to be a part of this coaching program. It can't get easier than this. I can only help 11 people get started trading Forex and begin to make life-changing income for yourself. You know, I remember when I used to work as a security officer, and my income for a whole year as a security officer then was $18,000. $18,000. Then I did a CNA, and of course, my income, I remember very well, my income then was $25,000. $25,000, and of course, my friends said, come on, let's go and do LVN. And of course, I got my LVN license. And I remember my income tax that I filed for a whole year then was like, after I started working as a nurse, was like a $36,000 thereabout. And of course, you know, even as a nurse, you don't really make that money. If you are not doing 2-3 jobs, you don't make that full money. So most nurses do 2-3 jobs altogether. And despite all of that, I don't think, most LVN will not make $94,000. Okay, $94,000 in a year. And we are talking about a month right now. So you can turn your annual income to monthly income, and that is what I want to help you with. That is what I want you to get started with. And of course, it's not about me, it's about you. But remember, I can only help 11 people, and it depends either the first 11 people that take up this opportunity, or by midnight on 7th of November. 7th of November. Why 7th? I don't know. But after 7th, this video will not be available, or even if it's available, this offer will not be available. So my friend, it can't get easier than that. Let's get to work. The first 11 people, and I want to congratulate you. We can't change the world, but the little we can do, we will do. And that is what I want to do, to be part of your success journey. And I look forward to helping you.